Hey guys, I'm gonna show you my desktop computer. So, as you can see, I've got my stuff here. I got my macro stuff. I don't use this because I don't play this one. I don't use this one because it's not good. This is to go. We all know this is to go. These guys are grouped up. Going 47. I'm gonna keep it there, even though I can't play it on here. Just stuff, basically. This is like text. Some of the other stuff, like VS, I don't know what that is. This is for creating stuff. It's always, gets moved here because of updates. This is entertainment stuff. Except for Discord, I don't know why that's there. Also, why did I read that so wrong? I don't have Opera. Anyways, as you can see, my background is almost the same as my channel banner. It would be the same, but there's a slight difference that, what the heck? Okay. I didn't even know you could do that, but apparently you can pull that up. Well, I mean, I can show you, like, some of the stuff. My taskbar. Oh, that's cool. My taskbar is a different color because it was kind of hard to read and it didn't look that good. So it's like this, fire water color. Yeah, and there's this white border to make it a bit blurred, but still distinct that it's there, right? I think it's more about being distinct. So yeah, it looks cool. I got all my apps here. I have this. These are just colors. You don't have to worry about them. This is the weather. That's the stuff. What's here? This is my wallpaper thing. I don't know what this is. Well, it's a codex thing, but I don't know if it even works. So I should probably remove it. Lively, you can do stuff with it. I don't really know how to use it, but I got rid of the taskbar, the automatic one, so I can make my own. Cloudy, yeah, it's my Wi-Fi, this is my volume, keyboard, time, notifications. For keyboard, I can switch by pressing Control Shift. I do this because sometimes I speak. How do I wait? So like, if I wanted to type something, if I wanted to type the accented O, I go to that. I go like that. You can do stuff like did it change? Oh wait. So like you can do stuff like that. Cool. It's kinda annoying sometimes, but it's fun. Also, if you notice here, a lot of this is red, but it's like it's similar, but there's a green checkerboard thing that makes it look green. And also the Windows logo would be hard to distinguish from the green, so I added a border while I was doing this. You could actually see the border by itself. Yeah. Other than that, I'll talk more about the background and like how I made it because people are probably interested about that. This is a noise noise thing, and I added like some sort of like filter thing. I don't remember, but it's really simple. It's like a gradient, I think, that I added. I don't know why there's this purple line, but that's how it works. It's like a layer thing, because I use paint.net. That's how I do it. Krita, I don't use Krita, because it takes like 2 minutes to start up. And then after the 2 minutes it takes to start up, I don't know how to use it, so I don't. Why are these pixels bigger than these pixels? I don't know how that works. For this part, it's actually the same thing, but it uses another layer, so like additive is stuff you can search up, like add, multiply, overlay, glow, or like just layers stuff in general. Yeah, the checkerboard thing is from a plugin, lets you make checkerboards, and that also has like an effect thing, and both of these have a gradient. So it looks cool. To get the Windows background, I just took a picture of it, and I made the thing that I used morphology, so it gets like 1 pixel bigger, and that's how I made the background. It's pretty simple. For this, it's text, and then I made one of those motion blurs, but not centered, so it goes down. Then I added frosted glass and dents to make it look all wobbly and faded, and then I wanted it to be distinguishable, so I just I grabbed the text, I used morphology or outline, I don't remember, one of them, and I just got what that was, and I did an apply mask, which is a plugin on the blur thing, and basically just so that it doesn't appear there. All of the stuff going on in the background here, it's a bunch of clouds for the rainbow stuff. I have a red and clear one, and then I have a green and clear one, and I have a blue and clear one, and then they're all additive, so it's like red, blue, and green channels are all clouds. I thought about that. It's not like that crazy, but I thought it was cool. And then I had like some other weird layer stuff, because obviously it's not pure noise. I think there's like a fragment blur on it, and then saturation, which is supposed to have some cool effects, but I don't really see them, so yeah. But also like another cloud thing that makes some of it darker and some of it more saturated. I don't know how I did that. The fire is another like clouds thing with like a quantize put on it, I think, and like an alpha mask thing, and gradient and weird stuff going on. It's not that crazy, but you know, it's a fire. It's cool. This text here is just text that was rotated, but it was a plugin, of course. Instead. I didn't want to make a bigger thing first. I didn't even like try to get that specific plugin. Yeah, and frosted glass. Yeah, there's a bit of dents on it, if you could notice, but yeah. And again, they're just random colors. It's like a layer mask thing. Not mask, I don't think. Maybe. I don't know. They're really easy to see in the flames, but you can actually see them here. Like, that's a 30FF70 hashtag AOAOAO. I don't actually know this color. I'm just guessing. There's also like a bit of a white gradient. I don't know if I talked about that. It's just a white gradient. It's nothing special. Also, my cursor, I spent a while on the cursor. Like, probably longer than I did on the background. Maybe not. It's really simple. It's just like, I made it with lines. And I had like a gradient. And I added like a cloud thing. And that looked good. And I wanted to make it animated, so I just copy pasted it and made it hue shifted, because every layer is a frame thing I'm using. So my cursor looks like this, but it's not the only one that I have. Like, what's something I can, okay, so like, this maybe, no. So, like, this, for example, I mean, like, there's a text cursor one, there's a loading one, don't ask about that. I put 0, 2, okay, I have a loading one. Okay. Oh yeah, if it's like clickable, it changes up. I couldn't think of anything that looked good, and the hand, I can't make hands anyways. But yeah. I don't. Wait. I have some other stuff I gotta show. So this might show the loading thing. Like if I, oh yeah, see, that's the main loading one. It's just like, cause the circle would have taken so long. I don't have like the stalling one, but it's just the normal one with a tiny little thing that was loading. I like the loading one a lot for properties. That, I don't know if you can see that. But like, yeah, see how it like does that? Yeah. It's not the only one. For example, I don't know if you can see it when I do this, but I'm gonna hope you do. Oh wait, this. Yeah. If you're able to still see this, like what's going on, I think you can. Like the precision thing's also rainbow. It's like slightly clear because when I you can see it better, but it's not perfect, so yeah. Other one I made, I didn't make the arrow ones yet because it's kind of hard. It's easy, but it's also kind of hard. So like it wouldn't be like that hard because you could do it pretty easily, but it's like 9. I don't want to do it. There's one for you can't do that. I don't remember how to get that. So, oh wait, I know how. Hold on. I don't know what I did. The heck, bro? Yes. The heck? Didn't pause it. Hold on. Okay, so here's my cursors. This is a bit like that line. So yeah, that moved. And yeah, it's a busy one. Precision is the one in the screen recording if you didn't see it. Like the screenshot thing. And this is text one. This is handwriting. And then this is the one I was trying to show. Instead of like looping, instead of it being like whoa, 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 like in a straight line, it bounces to show unavailable. As you can see, I don't have any of the arrows done. I have the link select one done though. So yeah, and I'm planning on doing sounds next, or not. If it goes horribly, I'm not gonna